we have some people who got the first jab of the vaccine, they have been infected, and they're asking, even when they get back to negative, do they start all over again, or the first dose is just efficient for them? And just to reiterate what my colleague asked, Mr. IG, politicians are still defying the government's directive. What they'll do, they'll go to church, and when they leave that church, they will wave at the congregation and pull a crowd. So the presidential directive has been so clear, but months later down the line, nothing is happening. We are seeing those politicians being super spreaders, but nothing is being done. Is it just a matter of talking, or will we be seeing stringent action? Thank you.
Just one more.
Yeah.
Just one more. One last one.
My name is Philip Murutu from K24 TV. My question pertains the transport industry. We have seen the laxity, the matatu industry going back to the full capacity operation. We are observing, in those that are observing, they're observing inside the matatu, but in the bus stations, you find crowds. I don't know what is being done in regards to the transport industry. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Let me start with the last one by Philip on the issue of transport. As I said earlier, we want to start sectoral meetings in the next few days, starting from Monday. So the transport sector, we have been meeting under the guidance of the Transport Secretary, CS Macharia, as well as the stakeholders, the matatu industry, as well as the Ministry of Health officials, to determine what is it that we need to be doing in order to ensure that those people also stay safe, and the people being transported also stay safe. As I said, and I want to emphasize again, yes, you can be riding in a matatu, but the matatu conductors are the ones who are going to, they will emphasize that you wear a mask when you are within the matatu. But surely there is a limit